Itu tu nyatsu. Ya, nyatsu. Apa ni? Ya, benti.
Apa sana niya ni?
Zupaktu. Zupaktu.
He was wearing it as a belt. That rock over there. Watch. He just picked up some random rocks. Chamoli.
Genuine Samuru.
You made him?
Enggak.
Bisa sama agung ini.
Zupaktu.
Waktu.
Zupaktu ya.
So you're going to Europe?
Going to Ibiza for World Sling. It's been like from 1972 they've been doing a World Sling tournament, but only a couple years ago when we heard about it, and WOM actually participated. We were there since the 17, 18, and 19. That's when we took the team championship, 2019. So 4th time.
They have nominated you for the 4th time.
Getting bigger. So now probably it might be introduced to like Olympics. There's about 40 countries now that are doing the World Sling tournaments, World Sling Cup. And there's CNMI still not included into that 40 countries. So from the 10 actually all the way up to the 24. Yeah, so this will be our 4th trip. I'm very happy to put also CNMI into the map.
On the map.
Our sling culture was lost at once, and we're reinventing it again. You know, we're just reviving it. I think Roman somehow met somebody through Facebook and
De La Cruz, right?
yeah, Roman De La Cruz, and then he, from there, you know, they had conversation about it, and then now we're in it, you know. So
Oh, good.
looking forward
That's
to do this the 4th time, you know, and I hope we can make the population of world slinging a bigger
Yeah. Put us on the map.
Yeah, so not just putting on the map now, we're gonna grow the population of going there.
Yes.
You know?
Then sempre, we are going to encourage the others to do this because this is something to be proud of. Something else.
You
It's
gotta,
not-
whatever it takes, and you know, it's not we're not introducing introduced sport. We're actually reviving lost culture.
Absolutely, 100%.
Yeah, so that's the main goal there.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much for what you do. And
good.
Roman De La Cruz, Doklan Sizus
Hey,
Masi,
what's up,
man.
my brother?
Yeah.
Shout out to you.
Yeah.
Shout out to our organizer in the state, in Ibiza.
Right on.